This is Harry Vocal, sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Minority saturation in the modern world. Wherever you go, TV, socially, print media, radio, it's non-stop saturation about LGBTQ, Indigenous, handicap groups. You don't stop. Who is pushing the agenda and why? What do you want? Racism, sexism, all that sort of stuff publicly, we are not hearing it. What goes on in people's private homes, who knows? And you can't stop that. But publicly, you've been recognised and respected. And yet it's saturation. What is it you want? The white majority of people who have been doing all the hard yards and who put the funding forward to allow you groups a voice publicly are now the scourge of the earth. And just like the church and the unions and the green movement and woke and cancel culture, you'll all end up with too much power and shoot yourself in the foot. I am not racist, sexist, or anything that you want to label it. I'm just the messenger from the street. And I hear people out there are sick to death of it when there's much more important issues facing us as a planet than your bloody feelings. What is it yous want? It's through our sport. It's through everything. And it won't stop until you shoot yourself in the foot. It's got to stop and join mainstream. You've got your rights and people are not against you. But you people are turning into the groups that you used to fight against and being racist yourselves. Wake up. This is Harry Vocal.